Hi, I'm Chris Leppert, and you're watching Fueled by the Outdoors. Today, we're going to show you my new favorite mobile hunting climbing method, two-sticking. All right, today we're using the feather stick from Eastern Woods Outdoors, and it's also equipped with some daisy web straps as well as a double loop aider. The daisy web straps act as a daisy chain. It's just a different style. The double loop aider enables you to go up higher with less stick. So let's hang them on the tree and see what they're all about. So before we hang our sticks, I want to tell you about a little something that's important to me, and that's coming home safely. To do so, I use a lineman's rope. This is something that's very important to stay connected to the tree. It's not going to save you from any fall, but it will keep you close to that tree so that you're not falling out away from it, and you can grab onto a stick or a limb or the tree or something and save yourself. The exact lineman's rope that I use is made by Bullman Outdoors Silent Approach. It's a Sterling Oplux rope. The Sterling Oplux rope is by far the best rope I've ever used in climbing. It is hands down the best. It grips itself, it grips the tree. It's very phenomenal rope. Also, a good carabiner and a prusik tender is very important for this, for one-handed ascender operation. So let's go ahead and hang our stick. Just like that, you can be 13 to 15 feet, depending on your height, how many aider loops you have, and it's as simple as that. All right, so we're up here in the stand, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I am not a super long, lanky guy. I'm 5'9" on a good day. I have short arms and short legs. I can be 13 to 14 feet with 2 feather sticks that are 20 inches, and each of those sticks have a 20-inch double loop aider. So they actually have 40 inches of aider total. And you know, you can climb extremely efficient with them. I found a company called Eastern Woods Outdoors, It's completely changed the game for me when it comes to mobile hunting. I highly recommend that you check them out and you know, see if they carry anything that might make your mobile hunting game a little quicker and a little better in general. Another option that I'll tell you guys about is they'll make a custom stick and a custom aider. So you can do like a triple loop aider. Let's say you're 6'3" and a lanky built guy or girl. You could be so high up in a tree with 2 sticks carrying almost nothing, and you're putting 2 straps on a tree. So something to think about. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Have a good day, guys.